If you wish to be able to pay with your Motorola Edge 70, here's what you need to do. So first of all, we need to go to Settings. Over here, open Connected Devices, and then choose Connection Preferences. You should be able to find NFC. Of course, every time you try to pay with your Motorola Edge 70, NFC must be enabled. I can also recommend you using this option, Require Device Unlock for NFC, just for additional protection. And besides that, you can easily enable or disable NFC by using Quick Settings or the Control Center. At least in my case over here, I have this NFC button that I can use instead of going to Settings. So now that you know where you can find NFC and how to enable and disable it, the next thing is the Google Wallet app. You should be able to find it, for example, in the Google folder in the app drawer. In my case, I have it over here. But in case you don't have the Wallet app, you can just simply open the Play Store and search for Google Wallet to download it. Once you go into the Google Wallet app, we can open the wallet. We can press View Wallet over here. We can grant permissions for notifications. We can now press this plus button in the bottom right corner, and then we can choose Payment Card. After that, you will open the rear camera and you can scan the details of your payment card, whether it is credit or debit card. And if you have trouble with scanning the details, you can also press Enter Details manually at the bottom, and you can fill everything in over here, and you should be able to press Save and Continue. And then, of course, follow the rest of the instructions that you will see on your screen. So once you add your credit or debit card, by the way, you can add multiple cards. You don't have to use just one on your phone, you can add more. And you can choose which one should be used by default. And if you just want to use your default card, then you don't have to open the wallet at all. You just have to simply make sure that NFC is enabled, your phone is unlocked if you have that Require Device Unlock option enabled, and then you can just simply put your phone on the terminal in order to use the NFC and pay with your phone. And if you want to actually switch to another card, then you will have to open the Wallet app actually. But that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.